My contribution is heavy on my
I
employer.
also want this
I
job
also want this
because it
job
is with
because
your
it is
company.
with
My
your
research
company. My
tells me
research
you have a
tell me
great
you have a
workplace
great
culture
workplace
and you
culture
support your
and you
staff
support
so they
your
can reach
staff
their full
so
potential.
they can research
That is
their full
another
potential. That's another
brilliant answer
brilliant
that is
answer
going to get
that is
you
going to
hired.
get you hired.
Interview question number
Interview
three.
question number
How
three.
did you
How
hear
did you
about this
hear
position?
about this position?
Now, this question
Now,
is
this
being asked
question
to
is being
assess
asked to
whether
assess
you have a
whether you
genuine
have a
interest in
genuine
working at their
interest in
company
working at their
or if you
company,
are just
or if
seeking a
you're
job
just
with
seeking a job
anyone.
with anyone.
Here's a really
This
important
is
tip.
really
In
important
your
tip.
answer,
In your
state
answer
that you
states
have
that you
held a
have
genuine
held a
interest
genuine
in their
interest
company
in their
or
company,
that the
or
position was recommended
that
to
the
you
patient was
by
recommended
someone
to
who
you by
already
someone who
works there.
already works there.
Here is the perfect
Here is a
answer.
perfect
How
answer.
did you hear
How did
about
you
this
hear
position?
about this
I
position?
heard about this
I heard
position
about this
because I
position
have been
because
following your
I have been
company
following
for
your
several
company
months
for
now.
several months
You have a
now.
great
You have a
reputation
great
in the industry
reputation in
as
this
an
industry
employer,
as an
and I
employer.
have just been
I
waiting for
have
the right
just
position
waiting
to
for
be
the right
advertised.
position
As soon
to be
as this job
advertised. As
became
soon as this
available, I
job
was
become
ready
available, I
to
was
submit
ready
my
to
resume
submit
and
my
apply.
resume and
Another
apply.
powerful
Another
answer. You
powerful
can
answer.
see
You can see
how all of these
how
responses
all of
will
these
help you get
responses will
offered the
help you
job
get off
at the
the
first
job
attempt.
at the first
Interview
attempt.